Building na nagustuhan ng mga first-time homebuyer clients ko ay may expenses na $2 to $3 million and paano ko sila sinave. Hi everyone! My name is Raquel Naraway and I'm with Stonehouse Realty. This happened when I was representing first-time homebuyer clients. Ang ganda ng building, ang ganda ng mga rooms, ang ganda ng bahay. Sa loob, maganda sa labas, okay yung strata fee, everything looks good. But I told my clients, let's see kung okay yung strata documents. I read the strata documents and I always do that to my clients to make sure that the house is hindi lang siya perfect, kundi yung building din. When I read the strata documents, I saw a lot of problems. Daming gagawin sa building. Roof, elevator, yung windows papalitan nila, and yung repiping ng buong building. Ilagay doon sa documents, gastos sila ng mga $2 to $3 million in the next 3 to 5 years. Tiningnan ko kaagad kung magkano yung pondo ng strata building. And you know kung magkano yung pondo nila at that time? Only $60,000. And then, 75 units yung maghahati-hati doon. Sabi ko sa clients ko, don't buy in this building. Kasi kung bibilhin nila yung unit na yon in the next 3 to 5 years, yung gastos na 2 million to 3 million hahati-hatiin sa kanilang mga owners. I computed yung gagastusin ng clients ko was around 30 to 35,000. Imagine if I did not read the strata docs. So glad na hindi nakabili yung mga clients ko doon because ang laking pera na ilalabas nila kung sakali. Kaya kung kayo ay bumibili ng property, please read the documents or find a realtor who can explain to you what is in the strata documents. If you want more tips in buying a house here in Canada, please follow my page. And if you want a specific advice in buying, selling, and investing, please give me a call. My phone number is 778-883-2202. My name is Raquel Naraway. Your way to your new home.